welcome back to Bopchi's Corner. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Barb. We're in my kitchen. I'm planning on bringing you on a little journey, and the idea kind of came about from my making a Polish meat patty that I grew up on that my mother used to make. And I start to think, it's like, why not bring you along for a little bit of a adventure with pierogies? I thought, let me start off with showing you how I make the dough for these particular pierogies, which will be the fruited pierogies. So I'll start this video off with making the dough, and then every other video after this, whenever I'm stuffing pierogies, then I'll just link how to make the pierogi dough to those videos. So I hope you like this idea. So I'm gonna make the dough, so let's get to it. Okay, to start with, I'm gonna measure out my all-purpose flour. I need approximately 4 cups. But I feel more comfortable weighing everything out on the scale, because when I weigh it out, it tends to come out perfect right from the start. So I'm going to weigh everything out. And I will also write the ingredients down and measurements in my description box so that you can also make this easy pierogi dough. I need to switch this over to grams. So I need to get 500 grams in here. I'm also going to weigh out my salt. Actually, I'm not going to weigh it out. I'm just going to use a teaspoon. So I'm going to do 1 teaspoon. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to mix my flour and salt together. So to this, I'm going to need about a little over a cup of water and 3 tablespoons of butter. So the best way for me to do this is I'm going to weigh out my butter, 40 grams. So that's about 3 tablespoons. $40 grams. So now to this, I'm going to tear this out. And I'm going to change this to liquid ounces. Fluid ounces, I'm sorry. And I need 10 ounces of hot water. So I have my hot kettle. I'm going to pour 10 ounces. I've got my 10 ounces, and I just want my butter to melt. And we're all done with the scale, and I'm going to combine the liquid with the flour mixture. Let me help this melt a little bit. This is very hot water. I'm going to transfer this into my flour and salt, and just let it go. right, it came together beautifully. Ooh, that's hot. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in this container. Put the lid on it. And in the refrigerator it will go. So thank you once again for joining me in Bopchi's Corner while I made my dough for my upcoming pierogies. And I believe the next one I'm going to be doing is, or my first one I'm going to be doing is plum. So I'd like to bring you along for that as well. So I hope to see you soon. Until next time.